thinking like, we really don't need that big. It's just going into the side skirt and the plastic. I was thinking something like this, but these feel like they'd be too big. I really don't know. It's just nice.
Nice camera. 741 all said and done there, boss. There you go, Chief.
Alright, so
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You see, the question is now, do we card them? I think I have to. Yeah, no, I definitely have to. Shit, but there's people. If it'll focus, but they're right there. Oh, they're going back in. Let's go. Yee. There we go. Hey, let's run. Let's get out of here. See, I would be able to use the lift, but all this is here. That's spooky. I'm gonna turn on the lights. Yeah, I have no idea where the ramps are, so if they're not here, they're gonna be across the street. Alright, I text both my mom and my dad, trying to figure out if anyone has these ramps. If not, I might have to hit up Tyler and be like, yo, bro. Alright, it's big brain time, boys. Hi! You love me too? Yeah. Bye! Oh, and you don't want me to go. Bye, puppy. And once again, we leave the house. Bye, Amber. You're so cute. I have no clue if my dad is even home. Well, he's obviously not home. But there's ramps to put things on the trailers, but I don't see any ones that I want. This thing's gonna look so much better with skirts. There it is. All right. All right, I'm gonna clean all this up. All right, now that we've got a clean space to work, I'm gonna run upstairs and grab the skirts so we can actually put them on. Then I'll get the hardware. Oh, there it is. Oh shit.
Pew pew.
If you look at the middle, like the middle of here, it's totally coming off. And that's just because when we screwed it in, it was so like the bumper was
just broken.
I actually know a guy who owns a shitty ass Ford Ranger.
Cameras make me uncomfortable.
I know a guy with a shitty ass Ford Ranger that would definitely jump it if I asked him.
I think I can do this by myself.
Nah, I got it. Oh, hang on, let me fucking hold this. You cannot do this by yourself. Alright, that's all lined up, right? Hold on.
Tell me when.
Just trying to make sure this is all lined up.
Yeah, tell me when.
Alright, go, bro.
Got a moving finger. Oh, he can't throw that. Maybe it doesn't.
Nah, we need to get to do the middle as well, like right here.
That's what I'm saying. But I don't think you got that.
This doesn't need heat gun, no. Yeah, this one needs to be in pretty tight. That's...
No, let's just talk.
Here, there's a screw right here, though.
Switch the one right here.
Oh shit, yeah. I'd put it more like right where my thumb is. Alright. Is this skirt like bolted up? Damn, that looks good, bro.
It's a little loose. Yeah, if we get this heat gun done. How is that gonna work though? Let's show that. I got this bitch all warmed up.
Alright, no, she's warm. If she's warm. Oh shit, bro.
What?
Can we unscrew this? Alright, yeah, we're just pushing at it.
That's better. That looks way better. Now they did that. I mean, honestly, you don't even really need.
I don't even need a heat gun that. Yeah. Honestly, it'd probably end up warping the plastic.
Yeah. I don't know if it's better. Yeah. Which one do you want to pull out?
This one right here.
You want to pull out like this one right here?
And tuck it in more.
You want to tuck it in or pull it out?
No, I want to pull. This is the spot where it's tucked in a bit too much.
Oh, I thought right here was tucked in too much. I'm kind of.
No, this is out. Like, so we want to see this ridge. Like that, we want that to be the seam. What you're saying. So right here, it's tucked under a bit. Yep. All right, bro.
I can just throw it right back in. All right, move your finger. Oh, dirt on my ass.
Fucking glasses, bro. Eye protection. Yeah, that fixed it. Look at that. There's no weird bend.
I haven't seen the bird.
Your Beamer sounds like a Honda.
And I'm proud of it.
Yeah, if the car itself wasn't like the same color, this would look so much better. But
I look like a Honda Civic Type R.
It looks really good on lighter colored cars, which is not this one. But already, just looking at this side, even when it's like raised up compared to this side, it's a big difference. And finally, the skirt and the lip are actually like working together, so you don't get that really weird gap. This one is so screwed up. This is one. This one is working. Probably have to hit it with the heat gun.
Yeah, we should have done on this side because there's an outlet over here. Extension.
Oh, aren't they in the same piece? Aren't they?
What?
Wait, they're not the same piece though.
I don't know. I never really thought about that. Jeez.
Are they actually the same piece? It just flips.
Whoa, you got a dent in your car.
Where?
Right here. Or maybe not. Maybe I'm just stupid. Yeah, I'm just stupid.
Yeah. Oh no, I do.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Right there.
Perfect.
Who the fuck hit my car?
I think it was you.
No, it was definitely not me.
I'm pretty.
Doing what?
I'm driving.
My stepbrother fucked up this fender right here. He hit it with a jack.
Last night.
What?
Nothing. Doesn't matter. Did I move? What? Oh. Damn. Honda Civic mode activated. Oh shit.
Eventually.
Next time, you didn't give me that shit. Hi.
So like you can do the fun stuff. I see how it is.
Yeah, I get to do the fun shit. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah. She flexing.
I'll touch it now. I was lying.
She flexing. Just folding it back.
Oh yeah.
The light back.
Shit, that makes such a big difference.
Yeah, there's actually a big gap here.
Away
Holy
from
shit.
the tires, right? Like this.
Yeah, just like heat that up. Alright, there's this huge gap like right there. Then if we slid it up.
It's heated up enough, is it? No, it's got a little.
Yeah, but
I don't think this is gonna bend.
here, Dylan, look at this though.
What?
See that where my finger is in?
Yeah.
There's a hole where my finger can go.
We could glue it right there.
So what if we just unscrewed it right?
Wait, what if?
Ow,
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Get the fuck away from me.
If we unscrew this, like you can see on the camera, there's a gap. We just like
I know there's a gap.
we just tuck it.
Hold on, unscrew it.
I don't want gap. I'll fucking unscrew it.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why don't we just go like this up here and bend it in?
Because it's screwed in, so you can't bend it more.
Watch me. I'm just gonna sit here on my phone. All right.
Thanks for that.
You're welcome. Yeah.
I'm just gonna get wonton.
Or I will tell her. I will fucking tell her.
Dylan, I'm just gonna get wonton.
If you appear to be in pain, I will tell her.
I'm getting wonton soup.
That's fine, but if you appear to be in pain, I will tell her.
Well, this is done, kind of. Yeah, no, that's actually good.
Oh.
Let's see what time it is. Oh, it's 6:56. Just put it back. No. Anyways, we have time to go get some really fine grit sandpaper, and then do my
We
headlights.
also have time to do absolutely fucking nothing.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, let's go get sandpaper. No shit. I knew it sounded weird when I started it. Halfway down my road, here's a rod. Yeah.
I'm gonna find a clam. Sometimes play video games with him and she comes in and yells at him and
Oh yeah.
it's really funny.
Okay, so this is like, okay, I was gonna say, this is not...
Hey.
I have another one sitting outside on the ground.
Just classic.
This is where Subaru's gonna die. Hey buddy, what's wrong with Batman and Robin paint jobs? No one out in the yard's got a purple top.
Purple top.
I'll be saying that when I show you the tails. My car that's twice the age of yours.
True.
Okay, so I ran out of tightening, so this definitely isn't the one that goes here. Okay, well I need a different thing. Okay, I want to see how many I have left. I think only 2. I think they're for my throttle position sensor on the right hand side. It's just that and then the MAF sensors from me having it unplugged the first time I started it.
Alright, so
Exactly the same.
it's your OBD2.
Huh?
It's your OBD2.
There's a high input problem. So that means... I checked it just barely. It's all connected, right?
He's smoking.
He's smoking real bad. Oh, it's your dripping.
I'm dripping
That's a big pump. Oh shit, you got stuff on the ground too.
Yeah, I'm dripping a shit ton. What is it though?
I'm gonna give it a taste.
It's coolant.
Oh, you're looking cute. Oh, fuck.
That kind of fucking sucks.
Yeah, I'd rather it be coolant than oil. It's definitely the turbo. I think I know what one it is. Full send, no boost home.
Yeah. Yeah, that sucks.